And A is how much? 8
9,
TN.
sir.
This is
Sorry,
A.
9.
And B is how much?
B.
3. Just 3 things you should know. What is Fn? What is A? What is B? So it means that Fn is equal to N. Either you say Fn is equal to N. So what will be the order of Fn? If Fn equal to 1n or Fn equals to n power 1.
O of n, sir.
So it is sure that if Fn equals to n or if Fn equals to n power 1, then order of Fn will be equal to big O of n power 1. Is it sure? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
ये बात अगर समझ में आ गई, it means बाकी आप सब समझ गए. Any confusion till this
No, sir.
discussion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So here, if Fn equals to n power n1, then order of Fn equal to n power 1. Why we have taken Fn only? Why we start with Fn? कोई किसी एक से पूछ ले. ये दीक्षा सिंह. Why we start with Fn? Why not with Tn? अभी नाश्ता हो रहा है. दीक्षा सिंह, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ पा रही है.
Yes, sir.
Why we start with Fn, not with Tn? हमने Fn से क्यों स्टार्ट किया, Tn से क्यों नहीं? Is it the case that Tn session he is chief election commissioner, उसे डर लगता है?
No, sir. We have to perform some operations.
Fn से क्यों? Jisan Ahmad, why is we started with Fn, not with Tn?
Sir, because order of Tn depends upon order of Fn.
Absolutely right. In condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 that I described yesterday, order of Tn is depending on order of Fn. So if we do not start with order of Fn, then we cannot compute order of Tn. Diksha Singh.
Yes, sir.
अभी आप किस पे डिपेंडेंट हैं? अपने पेरेंट्स पे?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So if your parents stop giving money to you, you will be helpless state now.
Yes, sir.
So this is why at this stage, not only, even if the parents become older also, the children, they have to take more care of their parents and they should start with their parents. Now you see this case. If Fn is n power 1, then order of Fn will be equal to order of n power 1. You see this one. This will be order of n power 1. Just this one. Up to this point, this Diksha Singh, any confusion?
No, sir.
Now you see n power 1, how can you write? This is n power 1, you have to write in the form of A, B and epsilon. What you have to do now? This n power 1, you have to write power 1. It means that this number 1, you have to write in the form of, in which format? Harsh Govindji.
Sir, n to the power 1.
N to the power 1, you have to write in which format? A,
The
B
log
and
A base B minus 1.
A, B and epsilon. And A is
Yes.
known to you or not? What is A?
A is 9, sir.
So it means that you
3
can
square.
say that 1 is equal to you know A. So 1 is equal to log of A, either log of A base B minus epsilon or log of A base B plus epsilon. So what is A here? What is A here? A is
9, sir.
9. So log of 9 base, and what is b here?
3, sir.
It is given 3, 9 Tn by 3 plus n. So b is 3. It means that this will be log of 9 base 3. 9 base 3 will be how much?
2, sir.
2.
Yeah, 9 can be written as 3
3
square.
3
3
Yes.
square log of 3 square equal to log 2 log 3. So this
2.
will be 2 log 3 base 3. And 2 log 3 base 3 equal to how much?
2, sir.
2. It means that if you just write log a base b, then what result are you getting? This log a base b is giving you 2. This is giving you 2. So can we say 1 is equal to 2? Or we should go for minus 1. 1 equal to 2 minus 1.
Should go for -1.
Yeah, since log a base b is giving you the answer 2, this is why what you have to do? You have to go for log a base b minus 1. And here this is this minus 1, this 1 is representing what? This is the representation, this is the value of
Epsilon.
epsilon. So is it clear to everyone or any confusion? I will repeat it if there is any confusion.
Clear, sir.
नहीं
Clear,
बाकी
sir.
लोगों से पूछ लें. Jayavardhan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1 can be written as log of a base b. A is 3, b is a is 9, b is 3, means log 9 base 3. So log 9 base 3 it is 2. So you cannot say that 1 is equal to 2. This is why you have to say that 1 is equal to 2 minus 1. Same thing I have done here. This n power 1. So this power 1 is represented by log 9 base 3 minus 1. And log 9 base 3 can be written as 2 log 3 base 3 minus 1. So Jayavardhan ji, why are we going for minus 1?
सर क्योंकि वो fn में n का पावर 1 था तो 1 लाना है.
Yeah, so it means that this is equal to n power 2 into 1 minus 1, and this is n power 1, and this is big O of n. So we proved that order of Fn is equal to big O of n. So here what we got? Which condition become true? Is it log n power log a base b minus epsilon, or it is n power log a base b plus epsilon, or it is n power log a base b where epsilon is 0? Jayant ji,
Sir.
is
Sir,
it
first-
n power log a base b minus epsilon,
So minus
Or-
epsilon.
or n power log a base b plus epsilon? That is condition 3. Or n power log a base b. That's all, where epsilon is 0. So what is the case?
The first condition, sir. N
First condition.
power log a base b minus epsilon.
It means that we have proved here that if equation is Tn equals to 9 Tn by 3 plus n, so in Master's theorem, this can be represented by which condition? Condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3? Jayant ji,
Condition 1, sir.
Sir, first.
condition 1. And now you see condition 1. What is condition 1? Now you come to this one, order of Tn. If condition 1 is true, then what is the order of Tn? Order of Tn equal to how much? If condition 1 is
Theta
true,
of
then
n to the power
theta
log
of
n
n
a
power
base b.
log a base b. So now you come to the problem. This is problem. Tn equals to 9 Tn by 3 plus n. And here condition 1 is true, means order of Tn equals to, so when you are computing order of Tn, So order of Tn equals to theta of n power log a base b, where a is how much and b is how much? Achal Singh. Order of Tn equals to theta of n power log a base b. So here a is how much in the given question? And b is how much in the given question? Achal Singh.
Sir, A is 9 and B is 3.
Yeah, so it means you can write it as this equals to theta of n power log 9 base 3, and n power log 9 base 3 equal to n power 2. It means its order is order of Tn equals to theta of n square. So Achal Singh, what we did in finding the order of Tn, what different things we did? क्या क्या किया हमने? बोलिए, हमने क्या क्या किया? What different things we did?
So first we find the order of Fn.
Very good. And then after
Then
finding order of Fn, we try to find that which particular condition is applicable here. Is it condition 1 or it is condition 2 or it is condition 3? And if we are sure that condition 1 is applicable here, then directly whatever was order of Tn in the result of condition 1, order of Tn equal to theta of n power log a base b. Thank you. So let's see another case. Second case, who will explain? First thing, case 1 is absolutely clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like class पढ़ने में और class नहीं पढ़ने में there should be some difference or not? Class में बातें समझ में आने के लिए. चलिए ये आकाशदीप, can you describe second case? This is your second problem. Akashdeep, can you read the second problem? Akashdeep, क्या बात है? घर में वो क्या बोलते हैं, अलमीरा के पीछे छुपे हुए हैं. अरे भाई आप अपने ही घर में हैं, छुपिए नहीं, बाहर आइए. चलिए अम्या सुभाष, can you read second question?
Yes, sir.
Please read.
So here we have Tn is equals to.
देखो अम्या, हमने आकाशदीप से क्या पूछा है? I just asked him that read the question. और
Yes.
उन्होंने क्या किया? अपने घर में अलमीरा के पीछे छुप गए हैं कि सब देखने न पाए. नहीं तो सर क्वेश्चन रीड कराएंगे. Anyway, yeah. So now you read the question.
So we have Tn is equals to T 2n by 3 plus 1. So the A is 1 and B is 3 by 2. Okay, and Fn is equal.
How B is 3 by 2?
Sir, because as we know the general equation, A T
N by 3
n
by 3 by 2 equals to
B.
2n by 3. 2n by 3 can be written as 2n by 3 can be written as 2n by 3 can be written as n by n divided by 3 and 3u divided by 2. Maybe this is 6 or 7, 6 class person. So A is clear that how we got A is 1, Amya Subhas.
Yes, sir.
B is also clear, B is 3 by 2.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the value of Fn here?
Sir, it's 1.
And you got Fn is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So should we start with Tn or we should start with Fn?
Sir, as we know the value of Fn, now we will move on to the Tn.
Tn is depending on Fn.
Yes, sir.
Like you are depending on your parents.
Yes, sir.
So if Fn is equal to 1, then what will be the order of Fn?
Sir, it will be n to the power 0.
Achha, one more thing, let me clarify. Let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
In actual sense, you are depending on your parents. but parents feel that they are depending on you. Your success will be the success of your parents. यही होता है ना? It's for every parent.
Yes, sir.
Although parents are giving money, but they feel that my success is depending on the success of my children. If my children are successful, I will be, by the society, I will be considered as successful. Yeah, so this is, if Fn equals to 1, Amya, then what will be the order of Fn?
N to the power 0.
Its order will be 1.
Yes, sir. Its order will
If
be 1.
Fn is,
We
if
can write
Fn
it
is
as
1, then its order is
1.
1.
And in form of n, we can write it as n to the
And
power 0.
if 1 you are writing in the form of n power,
Yes,
so
sir.
you can write it as n power 0.
Yes, sir.
And this, now this is 0, n power 0. So
Yes, sir.
now in next step, what are we doing?
So now we will find out n to the power log a base b.
Yeah, so we are now representing this 0, n power 0. This is 0. 0 is now being represented in the form of log of a base b, either log of a base b minus epsilon or log of a base b plus epsilon.
Yes, sir.
So a is known to us. What was the value of a? See here.
1.
A is known to us. A is 1. And b is also known to us. B is
3 by 2.
3 by 2. So log 1 base 3 by 2. Do we need to go for minus epsilon or plus epsilon? Or it is well known fact that log 1 base something is 0.
Yes, sir. We know that log base anything will be 0. So,
Log 1 base 1 is 0. Log 1 base 3 by 2 is also 0.
yes, sir.
So value of log 1 is always 0. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
So here did we add epsilon or we did not add epsilon?
So we don't need to add or subtract.
So
them.
it means that in this situation, what is the value of epsilon?
Sir, it's 0.
So here epsilon is 0. Is it clear to everyone whatever things are being said by Amya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So it means that here since epsilon is 0 means which case is applicable?
Sir, second case.
Second case is applicable. Now you come to second case and you see second case order will be, if case 2 is applicable, then order of Tn, then this is order of Tn will be equal to how much?
Theta n to the power a base b multiplied log n.
Theta into n power log a base b into log n.
Yes.
Now see, it means that second example here, in this case, theta of n power log a base b into log n, where a is 1, b is 3 by 2. So n power log 1 base 3 by 2. So this log 1 base 3 by 2 will be how much? Amya? Log 1 base 3 by 2 will be 0. So n power 0. N power 0 is how much?
1.
5 power 0 is how much? 1. 10 power 0 is 1. So n power 0 is 1. So this became 1.
Yes,
The
sir.
whole this part became 1. N power log 1 base 2, this became 1. Because log 1 base 3 by 2 is 0. N power 0 is 1. So either you say theta of 1 into log n. 1 into log n will be log n. It means that the second case Tn equals to T of 2n by 3 plus 1. Its order will be how much? Amya Subhas?
Theta log n.
Theta of log n. Any confusion to any one of you in this question?
No, sir.
This notes I have uploaded. Confusion हो तो पूछ लीजिए. Ask me please. If there is any confusion, then ask me. Now, Divya Pathak, you see the third case.
Yes, sir.
See here, and you have to show that here case 3 is applicable. What is case 3, Divya Pathak?
So
Is it
case
minus
3,
epsilon or plus epsilon? Epsilon is
sir.
0.
so plus epsilon.
So you have to just prove that here this is the case of plus epsilon. Now first you tell me the value of A. A is how much?
So A is 3,
B is
4,
and Fn is
n into log n.
n into log n.
Yes.
Now you are starting with Fn. You are starting with Fn. So can you prove that this is you are starting with Fn and Fn equals to n into log n. N into log n. Now how will you prove? Or if anybody else could also do, then the person can do. So what should I write here? It means that order of Fn will be equal to order of n log n. Up to here, no confusion. Order of Fn equals to order of n log n. Now you convert this n log n in the form of n power log a base b plus epsilon. Can anyone do? कोशिश कर लीजिए, think it. थोड़ा सा सोच लीजिए, इक्वेशन हम दिखा दे रहे हैं, बाकी के प्रूफ अभी आप किए हुए हैं. You start with Fn, you order of n power 1 into this one. Anyone who could do? अरे भाई ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा? चलिए टाइम ले लीजिए, वी हैव टाइम. मैं तो खाली ही बैठा हूँ.
So it will be b of n to the power 0.793.
This will be, so should I write this is big O of n to the power, हाँ बोलिए,
0.793.
0. कैसे आ गया भाई, कैसे आया है? बुक में लिख दिया है इसलिए, ये कुछ और बात है.
So it's log 3 by log 4.
थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करिए आप. If order of Fn equal to n log n, so n log n I want to represent it in the form of, so remember, you forget this one. Now you have option, you have A, B. So you are representing it in the form of n power log A. What is value of A? कौन बोल रहा है? आपका ही नाम पढ़ जाने. कौन बोला था अभी?
Me, sir.
Yeah, Harshvardhan. Very good. So Harshvardhan, this will be equal to n power. You have option log A base B. So
Yes, sir.
A is how much? A is
A is
known
3, sir.
3.
3,
Three,
sir.
sir.
This is n power log 3 base 4. Log 3 base 4.
Yes, sir.
Sir, and we have to add epsilon also. And
Log 3. So what is the value of log 3 base 4?
0.793
And here what you need to bring?
plus epsilon.
You
Into
need
the
to
power.
bring n power 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this will be, so this will be log n power log 3 base 4. Log 3 base 4. And log 3 base 4 is, as he mentioned, this is 0.79. So 0.79 plus how much equal to 1?
0.21, sir.
So this will be plus 0.21.
21.
This will be plus 0.21. Plus 0.21. 0.21. And so this whole will become this whole log n power log 3 base 4 plus 0.21. So log 3 base 4 plus 0.21, this will become 1. So this into, if you separate it into log n. Big O of A into B, you can say into log n. Up to this step, is it clear? Earlier, this was big O of n log n, and big O of n log n, we represented it. Big O of n log n, we could write it n power 1 into log n. And now, first of all, we are dealing with n power 1. N power 1 became n power log of 3 base 4, where A was 3 in the equation, B was 4. B was 4. So n power log 3 base 4 plus 0.21. Now, Harshvardhanji, what is the value of epsilon here?
0.21, sir.
So here, is it clear to everyone that epsilon is 0.21? And have you gone for minus epsilon or plus epsilon?
Plus epsilon.
Plus
Plus
epsilon.
epsilon.
So epsilon is 0.21, and we have gone for,
Plus.
you see here, see this one, this is plus epsilon. Epsilon, this is value of epsilon. N power log 3 base 4 plus epsilon, where epsilon is 0.21. So you don't need to compute that what is the value of epsilon. Ye to I enjoy it. So I computed. So it means that just you should see that which particular condition is true now. Harshvardhanji, which particular condition is true? Condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3?
Condition 3, sir.
Now, Divya Pathak, you come forward.
Yes,
Now
sir.
condition 3 is true. If
Yes,
condition
sir.
3 is true, then what will be the order of Tn? You see,
So
condition
theta,
3 is true. Then order of Tn is equal to
theta Fn.
theta Fn. And you see Fn in third case. What is Fn here? In third case, what is Fn here?
Sir, n log n.
It means that order of Tn, it means third case, the order of Tn will be equal to theta of Fn, and Fn is n log n, means order of Tn will be equal to theta of n log n.
N log
Any
n.
confusion? Any confusion to Divya Pathak?
No, sir.
Or any confusion to any one of you?
So it means we have to calculate the value of log A base B every time. No?
Every
Then
time.
only-
Yeah. N power log A base B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because now you take one question from my side. You take okay, take fourth part, and take fourth part. I may see your copy. Tn equals to 7 Tn by 2 plus theta n square. Tn equals to 7Tn by 2 plus theta n square. And you find its order. First you prove that it is, I have written, it is case 1. ये तो दिख रहा है आपको, here case 1 is applicable. But you prove that case 1 is applicable. Write in your copy. I may ask you to show your copy. Take 5 minutes of time. Write in your copy. Find the order using Master's theorem. Tn equals to 7Tn by 2 plus theta n square. I may ask you to show your copy. This is not BTech class. This is, it seems that this is just primary or junior high school class. Class would have to now. Take 4 minutes of time. It is 11:37. Now by 11:42, I will like to know from you. If you complete, raise your hands. But I will ask you at 11:42, I will ask you that, let me see that how many of you have done it. So, like guitar with the copy. Make money.
मैं चाहूंगा अप्लाई करें, मुझे बोलने की बजाय अप्लाई कर दिया। 31st March is the last day.
ठीक, फरवरी में अप्लाई कर देंगे।
आप कल सरस्वती पूजा शुरू कीजिए।
ठीक है, कर देंगे।
मैं इसी उम्मीद से आपके पास पहले आया।
बिल्कुल कर देंगे, इसको जरूर करेंगे और करके आपको इन्फॉर्म भी करेंगे। हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
मेरे सहयोग की जरूरत है।
श्योर। अनमोल, ओनली 4 स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव डन। ये देख लीजिए, क्लास में इन लोगों को नौकरी मिलेगी। हर्ष गोविंद, हिमांशु शेखर, सुयश संजय, अनमोल अमृत। Others have not done it.
Also, I have done, but I'm not sure whether it is right or wrong, the steps that I have followed.
At least you should raise your hands.
Okay, sir.
Okay, others? चलिए, इनमें जो सबसे first one, Harsh Govind ji, the person who raised his hand first.
Yes, sir.
You share your copy. Should I stop sharing?
Yes, sir. I have done in the whiteboard, sir. Can I take a picture of?
Very good. So, yeah, take its picture and then you share it.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
I have stopped sharing, so you can share it.
Sure, sir.
These students who are raising hands, they will qualify written examination. They will appear in interview of different companies. Don't think in the way that, छोड़ो यार, क्या हाथ उठाना है, हमको तो आता ही है. You share, Harsh Govind, you share it.
Yes, sir. Just sharing my screen.
And in the last 23 years, it has never happened that the students who are interactive in my lecture classes, labs, and they could not get job.
Sir, is it visible?
नहीं, you share it, पर share आई पे आई.
Sir, I am sharing my screen.
Now it is visible. Increase the screen size.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it is clearly visible. Tn equals to 7 Tn by 2 plus theta n square. Tn equals to 7 Tn by 2 plus theta n square. Yeah, now Harsh Govind ji, you speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, first A is 7 and B is 2 and Fn is theta of n square. So we have to represent n to the power log A base B. So here
who will be represented in the form of n power log A base B?
Sir, Fn.
Is it Tn should be represented or Fn should be represented?
Sir, Fn.
So it means where you have written theta of n square, next step should be this equal to theta of n power log A base B. A is 7. Theta of n power log 7 base 2.
Yes, sir.
N power, so n power log of 7 base 2 is 2.807.
807, which is greater than 2.
Means log A base B is giving n power 2.807. And
Yes,
you should get n power 2. So means 0.807 extra you are getting.
Yes, sir. So we have to subtract 0.807.
So
And
n power
that
2
is
can be written as n power 2.807, which is the value of log 7 base 2 minus epsilon. Here epsilon is 0.807.
Yes, sir.
So it means that which case is applicable?
Sir, case 1.
Case 1 is applicable. And if case 1 is applicable, then what is the order of function Tn?
Sir, theta to the power log 7 base 2.
So if this case is applicable, so you see the equation, which लोगों को बोल रहा होगा. So case 1 is applicable, then order of Tn equals to theta of n power log A base B.
Yes,
Theta of n power log A base B.
Theta to the power 2.807.
Yeah, so it means that, what was your question? Your question was, what is the Tn equals to 7 Tn by 2 plus theta n square. What was the question?
So
Tn equals to
7Tn
7
by
Tn
2
by
plus
2
theta
plus
square.
theta n square, and you found that its order is theta of n power log 7 base 2.
Yes.
Any confusion to anyone? All of you bring your hands down. I think Soumya Rani, this student, first time raised hand. So this much is enough for today. Now you will have your quiz on Monday. Monday at what time I have class with you? You stop sharing, Harsh Govindji.
Okay, sir. So
On Monday at what?
11 a.m.
So I will conduct your quiz on Monday. You prepare yourself for objective questions or for descriptive questions.
Okay, sir.
Module 1 now I have completed. Now you prepare yourself for, you completely prepare module 1. Monday will be your quiz.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
हाँ भाई, ये दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए इतनी। हमारे तरफ से जब मेहनत होकर पढ़ाई हो रहा है तो फिर आप करिए। और ये one thing you remember, the person who is sitting there in Mesra, he is also very senior person in DAA course, and he gives difficult questions. This is why first day I know that question paper will be difficult. So each and every topic I have to cover in detailed way. So if you are doing very well in my quizzes, it means in end semester you will perform excellently. So this is, I am sharing the screen. This is your attendance for today. This is your attendance. हाँ बोलिए.
सर बट रिकर्सिव ट्री वाला सर वो तो बचा हुआ है अभी तक, रिकर्सिव ट्री.
रिकर्सिव ट्री भाई कौन है ये? भाई जो जीशान अहमद. अरे सारा हम ही अपने हाथ से चम्मच से आपको खिला दें, कुछ तो अपने हाथ से भी खाएंगे ना.
ओके सर.
नहीं कि अपने हाथ से नहीं खाना है.
यस सर.
सारा खाना सर खिला देंगे क्लास में. भाई अपने हाथ से भी सीखिए कुछ खाना. रिकर्शन ट्री आप लोग कर लीजिएगा, खुद कर लीजिएगा. Take the help of book and see. Yes, you need to construct tree, and yes, you need to count the level. And on the basis of level, you have to fit it in the form of n power log a base b, and then you can say that its order will be this one. Okay, sir. So you do recursion tree by yourself. Any more? This T.H. Coleman book, they have described this recursion tree method very well. So you can use T.H. Coleman.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much for today's class.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.